Good evening.
Okay.
Today I have with me Lucas, Franco, and
Lautaro.
Lautaro.
Aquí,
Ah.
I am from Argentina, but here,
You are already.
no Neil Armstrong. No Neil Armstrong, but yes Armstrong. Okay. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Lucas.
My name is Franco.
Okay. ¿Y algo para decir acá a la gente de Francia?
Okay.
¿Quién va a ser campeón?
So you come specially for the World Cup, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you will think Argentina will win the World Cup.
We need to win.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
Please.
so when you arrived in
Yes.
Qatar,
Sorry.
when you arrived in Qatar, which day? Now?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Yes, and this is Copa. This is World Championship.
Yeah.
Champion Argentina. No Argentina, Lionel Messi.
Okay. A lot of people became fans of Argentina long time ago, 1986 World Cup, because of Diego Armando Maradona.
Wow. Stop, please. Stop. Oh, yes.
So, Messi has won a lot of titles, but only the World Cup is missing from his cabinet. So this year in last World Cup for him, and they win the World Cup.
Yes. The last cup. Yes.
This is the year.
Merci, gracias.